All right, so you have a brand new Q3 and you just finished going through the startup wizard and you want to go ahead and put SHOWBOX on your Matricom G-Box Q3. First thing you're going to want to do, as always, is connect the internet. You can find the internet in the top right corner. Just click on the icon that looks like a gear. Then you're going to find your network, select your network, then enter your password, and you should see this screen next that says connecting to your network. And it should connect successful. If it doesn't connect successful, you need to go back and re-enter your password. Once you enter the Matricom store, make sure that you go ahead and allow any notifications that'll pop up so that the Matricom store can work and do whatever it's got to do for you. Right now, we're going to go into the entertainment tab, and you can see here it has an icon like a camera. And if you just scroll down, you'll find SHOWBOX in this list. Once you find SHOWBOX, go ahead and click OK on your remote control and then click Install right here on the screen. You should get the package installer come up where you can click Install in the bottom corner. All right, so now after you've pressed Install, and that's it. It's installed. You can go ahead and open it. You can find it on your home screen in the app drawer. Definitely hope this video helped. And we were glad to be of assistance. Make sure that you like and share our videos. And definitely make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can tell when we upload our latest videos. We definitely appreciate you watching. We're waiting on your comments below. And as always, have a great day.